Modbus is a widely used network communication protocol in industrial automation. The IoThings 4510 can act as a Modbus TCP slave, and in this video, we'll show you how to configure the Modbus settings on the IoThings IIoT Starter Kit. In our demonstration, we'll use a Modbus master to write coil, and the DO module on the IoThings 4510 will turn on the light in response. First, open the web console, go to the security page, and enable Modbus TCP slave service. Next, go to the protocol Modbus page. Here, you can see all of the Modbus TCP addresses categorized by coil status, input status, holding register, and input register. You can change the start address as needed. Remember the start address of DO status. We'll use this later. Now click Save and Restart at the top of the screen. Enter the IP address of the IoThings 4510 into the Modbus master to connect to it. Select function code 5, write single coil, and enter the start address from the Modbus table. Finally, test your connection by changing the DO value from your Modbus master. If your DO output responds, you're done. Thanks for watching.